Yo, you know what happens when you lose your pen? When you lose your pen, you can't take notes. When you can't take notes, you fail your exams. When you fail your exams, you can't go to college. When you can't go to college, you can't get a job. When you can't go to college, you cannot get a degree. When you cannot get a degree, you can't get a job. When you can't get a job, you can't get a house. When you can't get a house, you will be homeless. When you will be homeless, you will get diseases. When you will get diseases, you will go to the hospital. When you will go to the hospital, they will charge money. When they will charge money, you will get migraine. When you will get migraine, it would eventually, then you would go to the doctor again. The doctor would ask for money, but you but then you will get more extra migraine, and that migraine will lead to death. Well, I lost my pen 10 seconds ago.